How to get Dollar Tree coupon code. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. You need to start by heading over to any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Dollar Tree coupon code or promo code. Once you're in here, tons of different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Once you're in the official page of coupon codes, here you'll be able to see tons of different offers and discounts. If you're looking for 50% off discount coupon code, then search for it in the space. Once you find it, all you gotta do is tap on it. There you can see that the coupon code has been provided to you. Simply copy this promo code or coupon code and then tap on Redeem at Dollar Tree. It will open up the official site of Dollar Tree. Enter your login credentials and enter this coupon code in the section where you are asked to. After that, if the promo code is valid enough, you will be able to receive certain amount of discount and offers, and then you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.